Botatai character Tomozaki second stage. Season's tester confirms returning cast, staff. Tester visual also debuts. The official website of Botatai character Tomozaki second stage. The second television anime season of Yukiyaku's Botatai character Tomozaki light novel series revealed a new season's tester promotion video and visual on Sunday. The anime second season features the returning cast and staff. Shinsuke Yanagi is returning to directing anime second season of project number 9. Fumihiko Shimo is overseeing the series scripts again, and Akane Yano is again designing the characters.